Welcome to this video on UI components, part of Unit 4. We will explore the building blocks that make up modern software interfaces. This visual overview displays common UI components like buttons, text fields, checkboxes, and sliders, which are essential for effective UI/UX design. UI components are the fundamental building blocks of graphical interfaces. They allow users to interact with and navigate software. Effective design relies on using these components to create an intuitive experience. Menus serve several key functions, including categorization, discovery, and efficiency. They help organize complex features and reduce the user's cognitive load by relying on recognition. Proper menu formatting is crucial for usability. Designers should focus on consistency across screens, clear display and presentation, and a logical organization that matches the user's mental model. To avoid cognitive overload, limit menu options, often following the 7 ± 2 rule. Organize items logically by function, frequency of use, or sequence, and use visual separators for clarity. Menus come in various types, including the top-level menu bar, vertical pull-down menus, and cascading submenus for multi-level hierarchies. Other common types include pop-up menus for context-sensitive actions, tear-off menus for floating toolsets, and iconic menus that use graphics to represent choices. Windows are the primary visual containers in an interface. Key components include the title bar, window controls like minimize and close, the menu bar, toolbar, work area, and scroll bars. Choose the right window type based on your needs. Options include primary workspaces, secondary windows for settings, modal windows that force a response, and modless windows for flexible access. Follow these basic guidelines for good UI/UX. Keep windows clean, make them resizable, provide clear titles for secondary windows, and use good spacing to avoid errors. Screen-based controls, or widgets, are how users manipulate data. These include operable controls like buttons and toolbars, as well as various text entry and read-only controls. Here we see examples of operable controls like submit buttons, as well as text boxes for user input, and read-only labels for displaying static information. Selection controls include radio buttons for single choices, checkboxes for multiple selections, palettes, list boxes, and drop-down menus to save space. This final view provides a summary of these selection controls in action, showing how each is used to help users make choices within an interface. Beyond basic inputs, we use other operable controls to handle specialized interactions. These include sliders for continuous ranges, tabs for organizing settings, date pickers for accurate scheduling, tree views for hierarchical data, and scroll bars to navigate large content areas. This visual summary highlights those specific controls in action. You can see how sliders adjust values, tabs separate information, and tree views manage file structures, all designed to make complex interfaces more manageable. Selecting the proper control is essential to minimize user error. Use radio buttons or drop-downs for exclusive choices, checkboxes or toggles for binary options, and sliders for ranges. Keep forms organized with tabs, and use list views with headers for managing large datasets.